Might be wondering why my hairstyle is like this. Today I just came back from a ride and I took a hair bath. So this hairstyle. So don't think that okay in lockdown this guy has gone full on alcoholic or you know this guy has become a psycho. Kind of what I can say. I'm not getting that word. What is that word? Uh, Mental. Not mental. Unable to recall that word. It's not coming right now. But yeah, don't think that this guy has become psychic and has not gone to a saloon shop and all. So don't think like that. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel The Bug. As you can see, there is a box. On top of that, there is this black thing, and to the right, there is a pair of rabbit gloves. And on the left, some trash. Further left, a scissor. So the trash is not a trash actually. It's the package which has arrived today afternoon. I have already removed the package and the outcome from that particular cover is the black one up there on the top. So yeah, you guessed it right. This video is about unboxing. Actually, I have unboxed it. Just I wanted to share the product purchase I have done so that it will be helpful for you in one way or the other. So let's begin. First things first, this small one called selfie stick, but not your usual one. It has a lot of tech and features. I will show it to you one by one. This is the name of that particular product. It is called selfie stick R1S. Yep, and some features which is here. I'll show you guys. So this one again, it's biking related stuff, and this one is already a purchase, so I just kept it here to show you guys the difference between this and this. Yeah, but first this particular product. So first feature is it can be flipped. You can see like this, so you can vlog holding your camera like this. It can also be turned towards that side. This will rotate towards that side, and this particular clamp is to tighten the stick. So this is even longer. I will show you guys. As you can see, from here all the way till top, it's this much tall. And one more thing about this selfie stick, this is not just selfie stick, it can be used as a tripod. See that? Beauty. Now other technology I will tell you. This particular white thing, you might be wondering what is this. I will show you guys. So I'll just flip it backwards. There is a button here, as you can see, small button. If you press it once, the light will come on. It's LED. If you press it one more time, it's even brighter. So I'll show you guys the intensity of the light. As you can see, it is this much bright. I can see my face in the dark, so it's good. And this cable, right, the white one, this is to charge this particular LED. As you can see, there is a charging port here on the top, so you can charge it through this USB cable. This is again, it's OnePlus adapter, doesn't belong to this, it's my OnePlus phone adapter. So yeah, other technology is that, let me pull it down. So this particular thing, it can be used in portrait mode as well as landscape mode. I will show you that. You see this particular mechanism in the back, it can be rotated. So yeah, it can be used in landscape mode. So this particular mode will help you guys in shooting videos horizontally, and if you are taking some selfie in portrait mode, you can flip it like this. And I will show you guys how to fit the phone. So yeah, this is how you can fit the phone. So this particular mechanism, it will come out like this. Yeah, like this. So these two top and bottom things will hold the phone. It can be folded back inside like this, and this particular thing can be extended upwards like this. So no matter what phone it is, what size it is, irrespective of those, this selfie stick can take anything. If you wanna close, just flip it like this. Done. It can be carried in your bag, it can be carried in your backpack. It's that compatible, it's that small. And one more thing, there is this button here, as you can see, This is another feature guys, it's a tech. This is Bluetooth enabled selfie stick, not your normal one. So this can connect with your phone, Android as well as iOS. From that box, I got the gloves. This is Taichi mesh gloves. As you can see, these are knuckle protectors, very strong. And the white one, these are 3M enabled stickers. I cannot say stickers, but it's textiled. They have put this white reflective thing, so in the dark when the light falls on these things they will shine. It has branding Taichi. This is perforated material. This is the leather one, so it's a combination of leather as well as mesh. And the specialty of this gloves is you can operate your smartphone by wearing this gloves, so no need to remove the gloves when you want to use your phone. Yep. So I have put the link of custom elements in the description. Kindly visit the store if you need anything related to biking. That's it guys for today's video. Hope you like this particular footage. So as usual, stay tuned to my channel, hit that bell icon and stay safe. I'm ending the video here. Bye bye. Peace. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ನಾ ಯಾರೋ ಏನೋ ಹಾ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡು